Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and some tricks to help you grow your channel in 2022/2023. YouTube being so oversaturated, if you didn't start back in like 2016, I want to say, then it's very hard for you to grow and people aren't really subscribing as fast anymore. So like I said, just stay tuned and I'm going to give y'all some tips and some tricks to help y'all get monetized within a year. So first and foremost, I want to say do not get discouraged. If you want to start your YouTube channel, go ahead and start it. There's no reason why you shouldn't. Everybody needs multiple income these days with the economy that we're living in. So you should definitely start your YouTube channel regardless of what anybody thinks, regardless of how long it may take you to grow your channel. But that's number one. Get started. You just got to start. And once you get started, just post. You do not have to have the best equipment. You just need to post. When I first started my channel, I didn't even have a ring light at first. I had my iPhone 8 Plus is what I was using to record. And now the only thing that I use is, this is a flag. It's literally just a flag that I got hanging on the wall. I have my ring light, which is in front of me. And then now I have an iPhone 11. So that's currently what I'm using. And as y'all can see, I have hit my 1,000 subscribers. But I do plan on, advancing my equipment just because now I am monetized and I do want to continue growing and I want to get better at, my craft. But for right now, in the meantime, number one, you just need to get started. Just do it and just start posting videos. So number two, which goes hand in hand with number one, when you start posting videos, instead of just posting a video, what you want to do is start writing down video ideas, because you don't want to post that one video and then it's like, okay, I don't know what to do next. And then 2 weeks go by and you still trying to think of an idea. So what's best is before you even get started, just start writing down different video ideas that you want to do, so that when the time comes and you put out your first video, your second video, will be consistent. Your third video will be consistent. Your fourth video will be consistent, because you already have a list of ideas that you want to do. And you're not sitting around trying to decide what's your next video gonna be. Number three, and this is something that I've been doing lately. Number three is picking a day to record. So I know a lot of people are busy. A lot of people already have 9-to-5 jobs. A lot of people already have kids, and you don't really have time dedicated to be able to take out of your day to just, record, vlog, all of that. So pick a day, and just that one day you just record. Like I said, you already have your list of things that you want to do. So that day you just sit down and you just record all day. And when I record all day, I'll probably change my hairstyle. I'll probably change my clothes. I'll probably change my backdrop just to make it look like a different day. But I have so many videos. Sometimes I be recording y'all 5 videos in one day. And I record the whole day. And then throughout that week, I'm just working on editing and working on posting. Number 4. And my number 4 is what I live by. And I say I live by it because this is what grew my channel. I got monetized in a year. So what grew my channel in a year? Doing trending topics. So the reason you want to record trending topics is because trending topics is what people is typing in the YouTube search box. So if they're typing in the video that you just recorded, your video is more than likely to pop up, rather than, you're not even started YouTube yet. You just posted your first video and your first video is go to Walmart with me. Like, if nobody knows you, nobody's going to be typing in going to Walmart with me. You get what I'm saying? Only time they'll watch that type of video is if you've already gained the following, you already have your subscribers, and they interested in you and they want to see what you're doing throughout the day. Then they'll watch that video. But when you're trying to get your name out there and you're trying to grow a following, the best thing that you can do, y'all, is to do whatever is trending. And I'm not saying don't post, just random vlogging videos, but like I said, in order to get your name out there, you do want to post a lot of trending topics. But on top of those trending topics, you can post like just regular vlogging videos, because consistency is key. My trending videos that I did was, the number 1 video that's going on my channel is the hot chip challenge. I recorded, and this was just a random video that I recorded, y'all. I wasn't even recording it to put it on YouTube. I was just recording it because at the time, everybody was doing it and I wanted to record it. And I uploaded that one day on YouTube because I was trying to stay consistent and I couldn't figure out what to post. And something just said, just post that hot chip challenge. And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna just post this. So I literally posted it, y'all. And that thing is at like 60K views, I want to say. And this was a year ago. So that's the number 1 video that's going on my channel right now. Like, that's where most of my revenue is coming in from, that one chip video. I did the tattoo baby edges. That gave me a lot of subscribers. Another trending video I did was admire my skin. A lot of people, you know, are trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots. You know, everybody wants clear skin, of course. The tattoo eyebrows, I'm not wearing them today, but the tattoo eyebrows, those were trending at one point. And I think those were pretty much all of the trending videos that I did. So number 5 is repeat content. So like I said, I was going on my channel using Admire My Skin. I was going on my channel using the tattoo baby edges, the tattoo eyebrows. And y'all, I did multiple videos on them. I did not do just one video and say, you know, well, I did that type of video, I'm not doing that no more. No, continue to do it, because every time you post it, you're gonna reach a new audience and potential new subscribers. So you can continue to post the same videos over and over and over again. So the next way to grow your channel, of course, everybody already knows you need to have a bomb thumbnail. Like, you need to have a bomb ass thumbnail. And the thumbnail matters to me the most, because the thumbnail is the first thing that people see. It's the first thing that catches the eye. So like when your video pops up on the YouTube recommended, it's the first thing that people see. So you need something that's going to catch people's eye that say, ooh, I want to watch this video. Another thing that helped me grow my channel too, y'all, and I ain't even gonna lie, this was after I hit my 1K subscribers. I literally like just kind of sort of started doing this. Hashtags, pound makeup, pound hair tutorial, pound how to do makeup, pound how to, pound AliExpress wig. Those hashtags, y'all, are crucial, because it's people that follow, just like Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, all of it, social media. People are following those hashtags. So if you got people that's following those hashtags, and those people are looking for those hashtags, and your video will be more likely to be seen just by using those hashtags. And I use vidIQ. You can download vidIQ, and it has like a checklist. And on the checklist, it tells you how many, like it tells you if you got a good title. So it tells you no more than a certain amount of characters for the title. It tells you if your description box is good. It lets you know how many hashtags you need, if your hashtags is good. It also gives you the hashtag ranking as to where you will fall on the YouTube SEO. Like, it'll show you if your hashtag is like 1 point, if your hashtag is like 100 points. Y'all, it's really helpful when you're trying to grow your channel, because it gives you a whole checklist of things that you need to do before you post a video, that once that video is posted, it'll help it boom. Along with vidIQ, I also use TubeReady. TubeReady is kind of sort of the same thing as vidIQ. What I like about TubeReady is TubeReady also, it has milestones enough for you to reach. So I use that milestone as a goal. So like the first milestone, well, I ain't gonna say the first, but one of the milestones is like reaching 1,000 subscribers. So of course I reached that milestone. Then it's like another milestone would be like 120 uploads. Then it'd be like 150 uploads. Then it'd be like 250,000 views. It's just different milestones on there that you can look at. And that's what I use as like a goal for me. I just want to keep reaching those milestones, because as long as I'm reaching those milestones, I am growing my channel. Another big way to grow your channel is to interact. Like, whenever you have subscribers, even if they aren't subscribed, but people just watching your videos and they comment, y'all comment back, write them people back, because people like to feel like they're a part of what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody wants to be just leaving comments and you just liking it, or, you know what I'm saying? Like, people like to talk. People like to feel like they're your friend. Like, they want to feel like y'all are connected. So once you have conversations with people will eventually subscribe, just because, you know, you cool, you down to earth, and you talking back to them. I can't remember if I told y'all consistency. I may have, I should have. If I didn't, but I'm gonna say it again if I hadn't said it. Consistency, y'all. Consistency is key. You can have 1,000 subscribers, but if you do not have 4,000 watch hours, those subscribers don't mean nothing. The more you post, meaning the more consistent you are with posting content, the quicker you will get 4,000 watch hours. It don't matter if it's the wackest video. As long as you consistently posting, somebody is watching, and the quicker you will be able to get 4,000 watch hours. Even on top of me already being monetized, like, I thought once I got to, you know, monetization, that everything else was like kind of sort of smooth sailing. Like, I thought the hard part was getting to be monetized. Like, the hard part was getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. No. In order to keep that revenue growing, y'all, you have to continue to be consistent. As soon as you slack off, your revenue will not grow. Your revenue will either stay the same, or your revenue will actually start dropping. So you have to be consistent. You have to continue pushing out content. You have to continue pushing out videos as often as you can. Some people post only once a week. Some people post 2-3 times a week, but now I understand and I see why there are YouTubers who actually post every day, because the more you posting, y'all, the more revenue that you're constantly bringing in. Another way to grow your channel, some people are against it and I can see why, but I'm gonna explain. So sub for sub, a lot of people are against sub for sub because a lot of people subscribe just because you subscribe to them, but they aren't really interested in your content. So meaning when you post, they won't watch your content, but they'll be subscribed to your channel. The reason why that's a good thing is because sub for sub, before you get those 1,000, well, sub for sub to get those 1,000 subscribers, that is always a guarantee, because as long as you sub for sub and you're gonna get those 1,000 subscribers, it's the watch hours that you have to worry about. But after you get monetized, like after you get them 1,000 subscribers and you get the 4,000 watch hours, if none of them people watch your video, but you got all these other random people that are watching your video, then just because they're not watching your video, it does not mean a thing, because you're getting paid not by subscribers at this point, but at this point, you're getting paid literally by views, people who watch your ads. So just because somebody subscribed to you, but they aren't watching your videos, that's fine. Hey, you just needed them to get to your 1,000 subscribers, period. And to piggyback off of what I just said, I don't know why, but I was kind of under the impression that YouTube probably gave, I guess, like an incentive type thing for channels who had more subscribers than others, but they don't. After you get monetized, any views after that, you're getting paid for them. So even if you only got 1,000 subscribers like me, but you got a video that made 1 million views, like you're gonna be making money. Rather than a channel that has a million views, but they don't really get 1 million views on their videos, but yet they got the 1 million subscribers. Like, you could be making the same amount of money that they're making, but you just got the subscribers. But the good thing about the subscribers though are, if they're interested in your channel and your content, they will be the first ones to come back and watch your videos, if that makes sense. So subscribers, you should love your subscribers. Subscribers do make a difference, but like I said, they're the ones that's going to continue to come back to your videos every time you post, because they genuinely love your content. After you hit those 1,000 subscribers, the subscriber count does not matter. What matters is the amount of people that are watching your videos. Another thing too that people disagree with, but that I can understand both sides with, would be picking a niche. So some people say you need to find a niche and stick to that niche instead of being all over the place. But I feel like, especially when you're starting out and you're trying to get a feel for YouTube, you're trying to get a feel for what your audience likes, you should dip and dab in all kind of things, because you don't know what people gonna like. So for my channel, y'all see I be all over the place. Sometimes I do makeup, I do hair, then y'all see me vlogging with my family. Y'all see my husband pop in and out of the channel. Like, different people are subscribing to my channels for different things. And like I said before, what matters is the views. It's not really the subscribers. After you become monetized, it's not the subscribers that matters, it's the views. So if I'm posting all of these different things and I'm getting the views, then why am I worried about the people who subscribing only because of makeup, or the people who subscribing only because of the family, or the people who subscribing only because of, you know, my locks? Like, if I'm getting those views, then it don't matter. Like, people gonna watch the videos regardless, and that's what's making the money. All right, y'all, so that's all for the video. I think I've covered pretty much everything. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below. I will respond, because like I said, I love making y'all feel like family. I like making y'all feel like y'all are part of what I have going on. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and share this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.